In this video, we'll see how to make a bill recall. So let's log into the uTouchPOS. Let's make a quick sale. So we have 3-4 items in the bill. Let's payment. Let's pay by cash, exact amount, pay by cash. So once it print your receipt, you'll get a receipt number, or you will see the ticket number. You can find the bill. If you want to recall the bill, you can find it by ticket number or by receipt number. Let's close it. Let's go to bill recall from the main window, and if you want to search it by bill number, usually this is the last bill. You can put the previous bill as well. Let's say previous bill is 22, and press bill. It will pop up the last bill number 22. So you can print the bill from here. You can show the receipt. If the bill transaction was in credit card, you can see the last transaction, merchant copy and customer copy also. So that's it for the bill recall. Thank you.